Can we have an order for repossession on these cars? Is your name Dan? No. Well, from AKA. Okay, so is that what you go by?
What's he doing?
Okay. We're going to somebody that obviously is doing things that are not illegal. For instance, number two, we got two nice cars off the repo. So who knows who this guy is? Mystery man. Okay, we got an order for repossession of both of these cars. And now they're not going to want any problems, okay? They're up for repo. Who's up? Marcus? Okay.
It's public property outside. Even though I can see my collateral, that I can legally repossess it, I would have damaged the cars. I couldn't get the tow truck. They wouldn't roll out. So I had to bring them out onto my territory, out into the alley and talk to them. What's in the car? My sister's trying to explain to you guys what's going on.
Okay, we have a different repossession from the finance company that both cars are up for repo due to lack of payment. Now that doesn't mean you get your car. You need the car.
Where do I get people that look like them to come?
What is he doing? He's like lying down on it. Maybe he needs a mate.
I've been doing this job for a long time, man, and not once, nor will I ever accept a bribe. No way.